except you have a question mark. No equating man. Wherever you are today, even our leaders who died, wherever they are, if that man can talk, they would have reason to come and talk. It's only Christ that died and rose. So you should not stay there. Yes, but wherever they are happy. Wherever Rivers people are, those dead, stay there. But I know you are happy that we have made Rivers State proud. I've defended this state. I challenge federal government for VAT. Yes. I want them. Yes. I challenge federal government with Imo State over oil. Yes. I want them. I challenge Bayelsa over Sukoi. Yes. I want them. Even as the federal government brought this obnoxious so-called redesign Naira policy, I was one of the states that went to court to challenge them. Yes, we want them. We are not a docile people. We are not passive people. I will not support any policy that is against the interests of Nigerians, interests of poor people. I will not do that. I will not. I will continue to win them. We are waiting for 1 week. No, so 1 week is like tomorrow. No, so we will win them again. If they like, go and organize people who come and cause trouble. Before you come and cause trouble, you don't die. This one, I will prepare them well. This one we are going now, I will prepare them what? Well. If you do rubbish, I carry you. Look, you think, am I not a governor? Come, am I not a governor? I'm a governor with a capital G. We are free federal election. We are this state what? Hello, Shiko. One time, these are not be federal government. These are not be saying, I don't know what I will Buhari there. No, they are. Buhari not there for this one. You know there for state matter. We will crush them very badly. When they come, if they never carry security from all over, come. I will teach you a lesson. Some of their sons are languishing somewhere. Some carry dollar, they catch them. Some threatening to kill armed people, they catch them. You see, God works in a miraculous way. If they did not catch the man who wanted to kill INEC officials, and anything happened, they would have said it's wicked. See people who want from government to fight corruption, now don't carry dollar to go pay bribe. Yet they want to fight corruption. How far? They catch them, don't catch them, don't. About so the baby on the baby way. My hands are clean. I have never plotted evil against them. But they sit in Abuja plotting evil against us. They are the ones facing the evil now. The law must take its course. They will face the music. Not because when they catch what they look for. And they look for those big ones. Then they run. But this one, I don't set small. I will catch them. I will catch them. When I catch them, I say, no. I think you don't say they run. I don't catch you. Come on, enter there. Enter there. On this note, let me reserve certain things, because tomorrow I have to talk again. This is a period of talking. As you go, they enjoy. A council chairman, anybody will go be up and go to make him drink. Bring the bill to us.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.